No one gets to ignore the laws. No one gets to ignore the laws. Not even the President of the United States. In California, we make every effort to follow the rules. And maybe that's one of the reasons why so many businesses come to this great state, why so many jobs are created in this great state, because we follow the rules. We give people a clear path on what it takes to succeed. We give people a chance to understand that if you follow the rules, the folks that aren't, we'll go after them so you can do the right thing for the state of California, create those jobs, move our economy. That's maybe why this one state of 50 in the United States of America is the sixth economic power in the world. Fifth, because some people say we actually overtook Great Britain. Sixth, because I feel confident that we are at least the sixth economic power in the world. We follow the rules. That means that if we follow the rules, we're protecting people, not special interests. We're protecting all the ordinary people who build this great state, not the special interests that would love to say that they can hide behind the skirts of those folks who work so hard every day to make this state better. We want to protect those ordinary Americans, those ordinary Californians who work very hard from any arbitrary decisions, including decisions that are arbitrary by the President of the United States. That's why today I'm filing a lawsuit in the U.S. District Court for the Southern District of California on behalf of the 40 million people of the great state of California and on behalf of the California Coastal Commission. The border between the U.S. and Mexico spans some 2,000 miles. The list of laws violated by the President's administration in order to build his campaign wall is almost as long. The Department of Homeland Security would waive 37 federal statutes, as well as regulations that are related to those statutes, and he would also violate numerous state and local laws here in our great state of California. In our complaint, we allege that the Trump administration failed to comply with those state and federal environmental laws. We allege that the Trump administration relied on a federal statute that does not authorize the proposed projects presented by the Trump administration. We allege that the Trump administration violated several provisions of the U.S. Constitution, including the separation of powers doctrine and the 10th Amendment. In California, that's not going to fly. We respect immigration policy. We understand it's a federal matter. But if it happens in our backyard, we demand that it be carried out in the right way, following the rule of law. And so my message to anyone in California, the 40 million people who rely on knowing what the rules are so they can have success and build that economy and create more jobs, is this. If you want to do business in the state of California, and that includes the President of the United States, then be prepared to follow the law.